When disaster strikes, whether it's a sudden storm, a power outage, or an unexpected emergency, having reliable food on hand can truly mean the difference between struggle and survival. In those critical moments, the last thing you want to worry about is whether your food will spoil or run out. That's why building a pantry with foods that last forever isn't just smart, it's life-saving. These foods become your safety net, offering comfort and security when everything else feels uncertain. Many of the best survival foods are surprisingly affordable, and most can last for decades, sometimes even longer, without the need for refrigeration or special storage. Think about staples like rice, beans, pasta, and grains. These foods are not only filling and nutritious, but they're also incredibly resilient, making them perfect for long-term storage. With just a little planning, you can create a food reserve that stands strong through any crisis. Today, I'll break down 27 essential foods that can outlast almost any storm or power outage, no fancy equipment or big budget needed. From everyday staples like oats and honey to lesser-known heroes like salt and powdered milk, these foods are easy to find and simple to store. You don't need to be a survival expert to get started, just a little knowledge and some thoughtful organization. These aren't just for hardcore preppers or survivalists. They're for anyone who wants practical peace of mind. Whether you live in a city apartment or a rural home, having a stash of long-lasting foods means you're always prepared, no matter what life throws your way. It's about taking control and making sure your loved ones are cared for, even in the toughest times. Best of all, these foods are easy to find at your local grocery store, budget-friendly, and can fit neatly into a small closet or pantry. You don't need a huge space or a lot of money to get started, just a willingness to plan ahead and make smart choices. We'll explore why these foods last so long, the fascinating science behind their staying power, and the most common storage mistakes people make at home. Understanding these basics will help you avoid waste and keep your food fresh for years to come. So grab a notebook and get ready. Let's build a pantry that stands the test of time, giving you confidence and security no matter what the future holds. White rice is a survival staple for good reason. Unlike brown rice, it stores for 30 years or more when kept dry and cool. It's cheap, filling, and versatile, perfect for everything from stir-fries to soups. Store it in airtight containers with oxygen absorbers, and keep it away from moisture. White rice is the backbone of long-term food resilience. Dried beans are a survival nutrition powerhouse, relied upon by cultures around the world for centuries. These humble legumes have earned their reputation as a staple food, not just for their taste, but for their incredible resilience and versatility in the kitchen. With a shelf life of up to 30 years when stored properly, dried beans are a true champion of long-term food storage. They're loaded with plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium, making them a nutritional powerhouse for any emergency pantry. Beans are incredibly affordable, making them accessible to nearly everyone. They provide long-lasting, slow-burning energy that keeps you feeling full and satisfied, which is especially important during challenging times when every calorie counts. Preparing dried beans is simple. Just soak them in water overnight to soften, then simmer until tender. This process unlocks their full nutritional potential and makes them easier to digest. Remember to rotate your stock every few years to ensure freshness and optimal taste. For best results, store your beans in airtight containers or mylar bags to protect them from moisture, pests, and light. Proper storage is key to preserving their quality and extending their shelf life for decades. In a crisis, nothing beats a warm, hearty bowl of beans. They're comforting, nourishing, and endlessly adaptable. Perfect for soups, stews, salads, or simply enjoyed on their own. Dried beans truly stand the test of time as a survival food. Honey is legendary for its shelf life. Often called nature's immortal sweetener, it has fascinated people for centuries with its ability to last seemingly forever without spoiling. This golden liquid is not just a treat for the taste buds, but a marvel of natural preservation. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old, and astonishingly, the honey was still perfectly edible. This remarkable longevity is due to honey's unique chemical composition. Its natural sugars, low moisture content, and acidic pH create an environment where bacteria and microorganisms simply can't survive. That's why honey rarely, if ever, goes bad. To keep honey at its best, store it in a tightly sealed glass jar, away from moisture and direct sunlight. This helps preserve its flavor, texture, and beneficial properties for years. If your honey crystallizes, don't worry, it's a natural process. Simply place the jar in a warm water bath and gently stir until it returns to its smooth, liquid state. Never microwave honey, as it can destroy its delicate enzymes. Enjoy honey as a natural sweetener in your tea, drizzle it over toast, use it in homemade medicinal salves, or take a spoonful for a quick, wholesome energy boost. Its uses are as endless as its shelf life. Ghee is butter with water and milk solids removed, so it doesn't spoil like regular butter. It can last for years at room temperature if kept sealed and away from heat. Ghee's high smoke point and rich flavor make it perfect for cooking. If you want a reliable fat that won't let you down, ghee is the answer. Soy sauce is more than a flavor booster. It's a time-honored preservative. Thanks to its high salt content and fermentation, unopened soy sauce can last indefinitely. Add it to rice, beans, or soups for a savory hit that outlasts most condiments. Bouillon cubes pack a powerful punch for their size. Kept dry and sealed, they last for years and take up little space. Use them to season rice, beans, or soups in a pinch. Rotate your stock for peak flavor. Powdered eggs are a game-changer for survival kits. They're lightweight, need no refrigeration, and last up to 10 years if kept dry. Just add water for scrambled eggs or baking, store them sealed from moisture and air for best results. Pemmican is a survival legend, made from dried meat fat, and sometimes berries. Properly made and stored, it can last for decades and packs a massive caloric punch. It's nutrient-dense and requires no refrigeration. If you're serious about prepping, learn to make pemmican. Hardtack is legendary for its shelf life. Made from just flour, water, and salt, it can last for decades if kept dry. Eat it as is, or soak it in soup or tea to soften. Hardtack is rugged, reliable, and nearly indestructible. Sugar is virtually immortal if you keep it dry. Never store sugar with oxygen absorbers, or it'll turn rock hard. Keep it in airtight containers for decades of use. Sugar is essential for sweetening, baking, and even first aid. Salt is the world's oldest preservative and never spoils. Store it dry and it'll outlast you and me. Keep plenty on hand. It's cheap, compact, and endlessly useful. Spices can transform bland staples and boost morale. Most dried spices last years if kept away from light and moisture. A dash of variety can make all the difference in tough times. Lentils are a survival MVP, lasting for years and cooking faster than beans. Store them in airtight containers for a ready supply. Use lentils in soups, stews, or as a meat substitute. They're a budget-friendly way to add nutrition and variety. Pasta is practical and long-lasting if kept dry and sealed. It's lightweight, easy to cook, and endlessly versatile. From spaghetti to macaroni, pasta is a must-have for any pantry. Oats are a classic survival food, packed with fiber and nutrients. Stored in a sealed container, oats can last up to 30 years. Just add hot water for a quick, hearty meal. Whole popcorn kernels can last for decades if kept dry. They make a great snack or can be ground for cornmeal in an emergency. Store kernels in an airtight container and pop as needed. Baking soda never goes bad and is invaluable for cooking, cleaning, and first aid. Kept dry, it will last indefinitely on your shelf. A little goes a long way. Keep a box or two handy. Vinegar's acidity makes it a long-lasting food preservative. White vinegar can last forever if sealed and stored away from sunlight. It's essential for pickling, cleaning, and first aid. Pure maple syrup, when properly stored, can last indefinitely. Keep it tightly sealed and refrigerate after opening. The high sugar content wards off spoilage. Just be sure it's the real stuff. Molasses, a byproduct of sugar refining, lasts for years thanks to its high sugar content. Store it in a sealed jar in a cool, dark place. Molasses is used in baking, making brown sugar, or as a quick energy boost. A spoonful goes a long way when times are tough. Instant coffee is a survival classic, lightweight, easy to store, and long-lasting. In a crisis, a hot cup can do wonders for morale. Store multiple jars for an extra jolt of energy. Tea stores exceptionally well and is a comfort in stressful times. Dried tea leaves last for years if kept away from moisture and light. A cup of tea soothes nerves and provides a moment of calm. Canned vegetables keep nutrition on hand for years. Rotate your stock for best quality, but even out-of-date cans are often safe. Use canned veggies in soups, stews, or as side dishes. Canned meats like chicken, tuna, or beef are packed with protein and last for years. They're fully cooked and require no refrigeration. Rotate your stock for best flavor, and always inspect before use. Canned fruits bring sweetness, hydration, and vital nutrients to your pantry. Packed in syrup or juice, they can last for years. Rotate your supply, but enjoy the convenience and flavor. Dried fruit is a lightweight, energy-dense snack that can last for years if stored properly. Keep it in airtight containers or vacuum-sealed bags to protect from moisture and bugs. Use it as a snack, in oatmeal, or to sweeten baked goods.